In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for a landing page. A landing page is a focused single page designed to guide visitors toward one clear action, whether that's signing up, booking a demo, or downloading an offer. We'll walk through setting up your page, choosing the right layout, adding a strong headline, images, and call to action buttons, and making sure the essential product, service, or offer details are clear and compelling. Start by opening Google Sites and creating a new site. When the editor loads, give your site a name so it's easy to find later, and update the page title at the top of the canvas to match your offer. Think of this as your home page and landing page combined, so keep the structure simple. If the default layout includes extra sections or navigation you don't need, remove or minimize them to reduce distractions. Use the Insert panel to add layout blocks and control spacing so your content reads smoothly from top to bottom. Next, choose a landing page template or start with a blank page. Templates can speed things up by giving you a clean hero section, predefined typography, and button styles. Pick a theme whose colors and fonts match your brand or the tone of your offer and adjust them in the theme panel for legibility and contrast. If you start blank, create a straightforward layout, a hero section at the top with a headline and button, followed by concise sections for details. Keep the page scannable with short paragraphs and clear headings. Now add your headline, images, and call to action buttons. Your headline should state the main benefit in plain language, and a brief supporting line can clarify who it's for or what outcome to expect. Place a high quality image or graphic that reinforces your message. Add alt text for accessibility and faster understanding. Insert a primary button with a clear label like Get Started or Download Now, and link it to your sign up, checkout, or form page. Make sure the button stands out with sufficient contrast and appears above the fold. It's helpful to repeat the same call to action farther down the page so visitors don't have to scroll back up. Use the preview to check that the headline and button look great on mobile. Finally, include key information about your product, service, or offer. Highlight the core benefits, a few standout features, and any essentials like pricing, availability, or what's included. Keep copy concise and action-oriented, and support it with simple visuals or icons if helpful. With these elements in place, you'll have a focused Google Sites landing page that's clear, persuasive, and ready for visitors.